All right, we're going to drink. What are we drinking,
Just
Rebecca?
what you want after hula hooping, some hard liquor.
Hard liquor.
So these are herbal liqueurs, or herbal and fruit liqueurs, and they're becoming really fashionable at the moment, so I thought it would be really nice to bring them in. They're quite bitter in flavour because it's kind of the end of disco drinks of fancy pink cocktails and things like that, and now everybody's really into bitter, kind of very macho drinks. So
we just drink.
Just have a little sip.
Yeah, that's pretty much what we do.
Not all of it. This is called Cam and Sons. This was only invented last year.
That's nice.
Yeah,
I
it's
wasn't
good, isn't
expecting
it?
that at all. That's really smooth.
It's really good, really good.
No?
I like it.
It's
Wouldn't that be better mixed with something?
yeah, you can mix it with bitter lemon. Actually, is what they suggest is a really good mix with it, and it is very yummy. I like it neat, but that's just me.
Because the thing with all of these liqueurs, they do sort of smack a little bit of things that you buy and stick in the back of your cupboard and drink at the wrong time of day.
Exactly.
Already had too much.
Tia Maria or Kahlua or something like that.
I've got a cupboard full of stuff like this that fans give you. You go somewhere like Ukraine or Norway, and they just fill, sticky drinks that taste like this.
Well, if you find they're a bit too sticky, they work really well with bitter lemon or tonic, something like that. You could try mixing them. But yeah, this one's really good. So this
What's
has
it
got
infused with?
it's got ginseng in it. It's got manuka honey, ginkgo. It's got goji berries. It's got everything that's full of antioxidants. The guy who invented
good
this,
for you.
Almost good for you.
It might be good for you. Yeah, the guy who invented it is he's a big name in Alex Camling, big name in the drinks industry, and he's a kind of drinks historian who's really interested in the history of alcohol as a medicine. So when he invented his own drink, he wanted to bring everything that he knew about it into
Now I'm
drink.
interested.
It's got
Alcohol as medicine.
It's got grapefruit juice in it. Grapefruit zest.
Grapefruit, yeah,
Zest, that's what we
peel.
can taste in
Yeah,
it. This
exactly.
is like,